power against my boy, welcome back with me, Renaldigilbert. Bagaimana ngoni kabar sama gengs, my boy? Semoga ngoni sehat-sehat. Jangan lupa ya, kesehatan, cuci tangan. Ya, wajib pakai masker kalau mau keluar rumah, jaga jarak. Dan di video kali ini sama gengs, my boy, kita mau react rapper Amerika yang berdarah Manado, saudara-saudara. Untuk siapa kita semangat sekali kita mau react ini karena memang orang Manado. Ya, tidak perlu berlama-lama sama gengs, my boy. Langsung saja tuh orang mau nih. Kita nggak peduli mau kena copyright atau nggak, orang react sekarang. Kenzi, pokoknya dia nama Kenz, Kenzai atau Kentot. Ini dia ada freestyle pakai beatnya Tokyo Drift ya, sama gengs, my boy. Mari tuh orang lihat. Aha. Oh, Manado, that's your moment.
Arthur with a sword, bitch, I met at night. Mop the money on the floor, how to get it right. Been a 5-day time, then I'm up 7 nights, and I'm rapping bloody cells with the red and white. Had to top my shit real quick for the one time. If she got strings attached, then I untie. Home runs straight to the moon, go and catch it. Don't worry about me, I'm sipping tea with the sunshine. Don't worry about us, my team in Milan, hit records over here like, check the scoreboard, kick it in the ozone. While the fit is stone cold, like I don't even like it, I just like it for a style. I can keep it rolling, I can do this for a while. Pack a swimsuit, have me swimming in.
By the way, nice car, dude.
Goddamn, hey, I had to lay low like a prone. Big crib, you gon' need a drone. Whoa, they keep taking my flows, but I know how the shit goes. I got a few shots in my system, hey. If I don't call your mom, it's your sister, hey. Man, I can't hit no bars getting blisters, hey. Come to Manado for a picture, hey. Catch me in the club with the Indo.
Come to Manado for a picture. Hey.
Me, if you know me, you know that I stay low key. No Nicky, shoulder dance, shout out to Philly. No, I cannot tap, baby, you're off the pillies. When I'm in the city, keep that blade up on the waistline. I just sit drinks in the stew, ain't no gang signs. Hit me up, trying to come through a broad daylight. I don't want a virus, baby, back it up on FaceTime. Alright, you know, fucked up. Way too much glitter on my face. Take this shit off.
Asli deh.
Go crazy.
Ya sudah habis tagantung. Ngoni nggak percaya kalau dia darah Manado, kenapa ya?
Nggak tahu bahasa Manado. Keledai makan.
Apa dia tuh di kiri?
Keledai di kedai.
Betul tak?
By the way, first of all, I just want to say thank you. I appreciate you for doing this, and I really like the content that you guys push. I was just like looking up like what I can find on YouTube, like if I look up Manado, and then it was that video, and I was like, this is funny, and I was just like, I would love to do something with you guys and get creative, so I appreciate it.
You're welcome. We're happy doing this with you as well. We know that you're an Indo-American rapper. Are you half Indo or are you full Indonesian?
So I'm full Indonesian, but I was born here. But I grew up.
Oh, dia full Indonesia, cuma dia lahir di Amerika.
Indonesia.
So how long would you say you spend your time in Indonesia?
It's a lot of math because I gotta. I would say like a total of 5 years.
Can you speak Indonesian?
A little bit. I mean, I could speak Manado.
Dia bisa ngomong Manado.
In Indonesia, I lived in Manado, so that's what I know. And like people that I live with, they speak Manado. I'm pretty terrible at Bahasa Jakarta. I cringe at myself when I try to speak it.
So you're more comfortable with like Manadonese rather than
Lebih
like
nyaman Manado,
Indonesian Jakartan type, right?
Yeah, it's kind of different. The vowels and the rhythms, I can never get it right.
Shall we start with the game then?
Let's do it. Oh man. Looking at this, I'm already like...
This is the easiest one. Okay.
Ibu pikul ubi. Ibu pikul ubi. Ibu pikul ubi. Ibu pikul ubi.
Ah, betul.
Desa dasi seduh. Desa dasi seduh.
Betul.
Desa dasi seduh. Keledai makan keledai di kedai. Keledai makan kedelai. Keledai makan kedelai di kedai. No, keledai makan kedelai di kedai.
Yeah, you got it right. Let's try the next one.
All right, there we go. Come on, I'm just warming up. Oh my god. Is this even
Toko-toko di kota
bahasa?
kita
Yep,
tutup.
that is all full bahasa Indonesia.
Toko-toko di kota kita tutup ketika kita tetap buka toko kita.
Oh,
Quite
I
on
kind of
point.
know what that means.
The stores in our city are
The
closing
store.
while ours
Hey.
is still open.
Yeah. Toko-toko di kota kita tutup ketika kita tetap buka toko kita.
Okay.
Betul.
Okay, I accept that. That's pretty cool. And you're gonna be releasing a music video soon, right?
Oh, semua rilis musik video dia.
Song is actually, it's been released back in August. Me and my videographer, his name's Michael Stopler, we shot this like in August when we went to Bali as a
Shot
trip,
di
but
Bali.
we never like released it. I'm mainly a rapper, but in this I'm like singing more, but like I'm definitely gonna have more releases after like where I'm like rapping more. But yeah, I don't know, I just think that it was just a good video that we need to get out there, and I think people will enjoy it. So when are we releasing this, Michael?
What's a good day?
May 17th.
Mei tanggal
May
17. Ini video ini rilis kapan? Video ini tunggu sabar. Video ini rilis Mei tanggal 6. Oh, bulan ini. Oh, saya tunggu ya.
Whatever you want is out. Thank you so much.
Can you say thank you for watching?
Okay, I'm gonna try to do it myself. Okay. Terima kasih banyak nonton YouTube video ini.
You did quite well. Wait, I'm curious. Can you try speaking something in Manadonese?
Iya, boleh.
Oh iya, boleh.
Mau tahu apa?
You sound so
Dapat dengar lokal sekali.
local when you start speaking Manadonese.
Yo, no, begitu. Nggak tahu bahasa Manado. I told you it's different.
Don't forget to check out Ken's music video.
Can you say in bahasa?
It's such a weird thing, man.
You don't even know.
I know, but it's just really hard. Because like sometimes
I'm
when you
ending the
start to
call.
speak some
I'm
stuff in
ending
Indonesian,
this call. You don't know how to do it. Ladies and gentlemen, she's a fake.
it's not a fake.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Have a great night.
Thank you so much for today.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Terima kasih. Selamat
Yay.
pagi for you.
Yes, pagi.
Pagi.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeay. Apa di Instagram kita suka penasaran loh. Dia ada beberapa lagu yang dia ada pakai Manado di awalnya. Tak suka deh video no. Proporsional bagus, ada tiang listrik di belakang, iya kan?
Finger on trigger, ready. Rolling deep, moving steady. Told her, hey, ma like Remy. Dipset, pink fur, 2 tellies. Finger on trigger, ready. Rolling deep, moving steady. Told her, hey, ma like Remy. Dipset, pink fur, 2 tellies.
Rolling stone, yeah. Rolling stone, yeah.
Oh, tak suka sekali DP gaya di sini, men. Sempurna, men.
Manado up in the vein, stay.
Oh, Manado up in the vein. Hey.
And the advance in the case closed, watch.
Dia jadi DP judul Kens. Cari jok Kensong atau Kens apa ya kan? Kita lebih penasaran DP Instagram apa ya? 19 years old American Indonesian rapper Kens. Oh, masih muda sekali DP Instagram. Torang cek DP Instagram dulu, my boy. Ya, torang cek. Oh, follow pak kita. Follow pak kita, my boy. Berarti ya begitulah. Ya itulah. Kalau begitu kita follow back Pangana boy. Itulah.
Never knew that it would come back in a year. She told me it's okay and that she's always here. She didn't sign up for the fear. Shades for the glare. I threw my luck up in the sky, it disappeared. Never knew that it would come back in a year.
Di lagu ini sedap mau pakai belajar, ya kan? Kayak chill gitu.
In the bag, man, I break that shit down.
What's it?
I break that shit down. I break that shit down. I break that shit down. I break that shit down.
Ice cubes in a wine glass, throw that shit on the pavement. I only stick with my aces, but you fuck boys already knew that. Been a G and she next to me, denim jeans cost a few racks. In my prime, got the juice back. She said I'm the best, I'm like true that. Whoa, lead a vultures for the crows. I touched down in 2K, 5 bitches to the shows. I've been scheming with a team, gotta come pull up to the shop.
Tergantung.
Know you live the fast life, baby, slow down. Rolling in the high life, or it goes down. Dance in front of red lights, headlights, breaking every avenue before it goes south. Know you live the fast life, baby, slow down. Blowing in the high life, or it goes down. Dance in front of red lights, headlights, breaking every avenue before it goes south.
Know you
Tergantung.
live a fast life, baby, slow down.
Rolling in the high life before it goes down.
Whatever you want.
Dancing front of headlights, red lights, breaking every avenue before it goes south. Know you lit up.
2090 on my grave, I think I'm going insane. Thick skin, bulletproof, self-made, born for pain. Get the fuck out of my set, cameras rolling movies. Winner, yeah, you know I'm in this. Spilling glitter on my Subies. Money talks till death, on an infinity chase. You talking broke, man, I can't relate. Send it, send it, send it, whoa. Send it, send it, send it, whoa. Send it, send it, send it, ayy. Send it, send it, send it, let's go.
Tak suka daripada lagu ini no. Ya mungkin begitu aja dulu mah gengs boy, kita video tentang rapper Amerika berdarah asli ya Manado. Dan nantikan video-video berikutnya. Selalu kalau kamu suka lihat DP karya-karya musik rap, bisa kamu cari di YouTube atau pada IG mah gengs boy. Dan begitu jo. Dadah.